Hello, welcome to all. My name is Syed Abdul, working as assistant professor under TechCube 3 project at Harcourt Butler Technical University, Kanpur. So, in this session for MATLAB, session of MATLAB for food technocrats, we are going to see basic plotting. So, as a food technocrats or food techno graduates or food technologists working in industry often required to plot the data to represent in a suitable form or to understand the relationship between the plotting variables or sometimes they need to perform regression analysis linear or non-linear. That time also they need to plot the data to study the isotherms of a particular powder sample. Then you need to plot the data to study drying curve. There are enormous examples you can give where food technocrat requires to plot the data to understand the data or the understand the relationship between the plotting variables. So MATLAB has an excellent set of graphic tools. Plotting a given data set or the results of computation is possible with very few commands. So most of us are using MS Excel to plot the data. MS Excel is a GUI, graphical user interface. So here there you can easily access don't without writing any syntax. But MATLAB is an advanced software where you can plot not only plot the data, or you can use the data to analyze something. So that we will see in the upcoming sessions. So being able to plot mathematical functions and data freely is the most important step, and this section is to assist you to do just that. So if you look at the MATLAB command to plot a graph is simply plot x comma y. So x is an variable, y is an variable. So the length of the variable should be same to plot, like in Excel also. So plot is the command which we use to plot variables in MATLAB. Say x is a vector of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and y is a vector of 3 minus 4 2 4 5 1. So to produce this produce a plot of these two, we need to write the syntax in MATLAB in such x is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 3, y is equals to 3 minus 2 4 5 1. Simply plot, then you will get a plot like this. So the plot function has different forms depending on the input of arguments. If you simply plot of y, you will get the y. You will get a plot of y variables at the index of the y versus the index of the elements of the y. If you specify two vectors as mentioned above, plot x comma y produces a graph of y versus x. For example, to plot a function, in this tutorial we'll see the function sin x within the interval of 0 to 2 pi. So we first create a vector of x within the which contains this interval, that is 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi. So how you can create is simply you can write 0 uh, colon and 2 pi takes the values between 0 to 2 pi. If you want any defined interval, you can insert between these two limits. This is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. In between you can insert the increment size. If you want pi by 100, here the increment size I have taken, or you can, if you don't take any increment size, MATLAB takes 1 as an increment. So 0 to pi. Now y is equals to sin x, plot x comma y. So you will get the plot of sin x in the interval of 0 to 2 pi. So if you plot, you will get a curve of sin x like this. So how you can add the titles, axis labels and annotations in MATLAB. MATLAB enables you to add axis labels and titles. For example, using the graph from the previous example, that is sin x. So here if you want to add an axis, the syntax for adding axis is label. So if you want to add x label, that is for x curve, x label is x is equals to 0 to 2 pi. So here slash pi gives the value of pi. So here you can see 0 to 2 pi. Y label, so y label is the code to write the title of y. Y label sin of x, so y label is sin of x. Title, so simply title, for the title of the plot is simple title. Whatever the title you want to give should be in single colons here. So similarly all these labels or title should be in single colons. Similarly, if you look at the default color of a plot in MATLAB is blue, but you can change the color of the plot by simply writing its initial, that is red. If you want to plot x y on red, so red is the color of the curve, so red should be in single quotations. Now we will try to solve these examples in our MATLAB. So I will clear all this first. Now what I will do, for simple explanation, I will copy paste these values of x and y. Then what will happen, we will see. So x will be saved there, similarly y. Now we are going to plot x comma y, so you will get the plot. So this is the plot of x comma y. Now you can insert your labels here itself, or we can do the example of sin x, right? So what we will do, we will do the example of sin x again, so that, say, now I am reassigning the variables. So control C, control V. Now I am reassigning the x is a variable between 0 to 100, or you can see the values of x by clicking the variable in workspace. So here are the values of x, 0 to 0 0.34. So I have explained this syntax, that is 0 to 2 pi, the increment is pi by 100. Similarly, y is equals to sin of x equals to as I am, say, x sin of x, then plot x comma y will give you this plot of sin x. So it is taking time, let us wait. So this is the plot of sin x, right? Now if you want to give the labels, so label for x, label x, l, a, b, v, l. So what is the x label? X label is 0 to 2 pi, right? So 0, what we will do is we will take 0 less than or equals to, here you can see, to write this, x label is 2 pi, y label is sin of x. So simply write that x label is, in quotations, 2 slash p I, quotation close. So this is your x label, semicolon. Similarly, y label is sin of x. So in single quotation write sin of x, quotation close, bracket close. Now you want title, title is okay. So if you want, the title is sin of x, you can write simply. What we will do, we will see what will happen. So sin of x is already there. So what will be, this is the plot of sine function, you can write, because it is already there. So to recall the previous code, write the upward arrow. Here I haven't entered even quotations also, so that's why it is on. Now you can write plot of sine x, right? This. So if you can enter, then simply we can see here in this graph there is sin of x, there is 2 pi, and plot of sin x. So these are the labels. This is y label, this is x label, and this is the title of the plot. So this way you can do in this. So we'll stop here. Now we will continue in the next section.